The UK's Prime Minister Rishi Sunak has just released his tax return for the last tax year, which is 22-23. In this video, I thought we would analyze how much money he's made last year, where did it all come from, and how much tax he's paid on his overall income. You should be able to see the picture of his tax return on my screen, and we're going to start with his employment income. He received £84,119 employment income as a Member of Parliament. He has also received an additional income of £55,358 because he is also a minister. For this income, he would have received a payslip, and as usual, I expect his employment income to have been taxed at source using the pay-as-you-earn system. Now let's look at his investment and savings income. And as you go through different sources of investment and savings income, you can see, of course, he understands how the tax system works, and he seems to be clearly using that information to his advantage. On Rishi Sunak's tax return, there are two lines for interest-related income. The first one is £3,985 and the second one is £13,204. He has also received £276,216 worth of dividend income. And in the next line, you can see the total UK tax due on the income listed above, which is £163,364. He has already paid foreign tax on some of his income, therefore he is eligible to deduct this from his tax bill. Now, the next one is the meaty part of his overall earnings. He made a gain of almost 1.8 million in the last tax year, and it generated a tax bill of only £359,240. According to the documents, all of this income has come from an American-based investment fund. The interesting thing about capital gains tax is that it is not earned income. Practically, you don't have to do anything to make this money. You can even get a decent financial advisor to manage this for you. And when you do make a fortune as an investor, the tax bill will be extremely low, as you've seen in the case of Rishi Sunak. So as an investor, the highest rate of capital gains tax is only 20%, whereas if you're a high earner, your income is subject to taxes at 45%. In the case of Rishi Sunak, he has paid an effective rate of 23% on an income which is in excess of 2 million, which is an extremely low rate of tax, but it is all legal, and that is basically how the tax system operates. This is because most of his earnings were in the form of capital gains, which is taxed at a lower rate of tax than income. If there is one thing that you can learn from this video, then that would be to start investing. Not only you can earn a decent source of passive income, as you can see from Rishi Sunak's tax return, you also get to keep most of what you earn. I know it's easier said than done because you need a great deal of capital to make close to what Rishi Sunak is making. Of course, he must have deployed a lot of money to be able to do that. But still, you can start small and build it up as you progress in your career. I hope you found this video useful. Like and subscribe to stay connected. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.